Okay. Learn 1970s style dance music. $5 off per beginner. Wow, another 3-part clue. Hindi pa nga ako nakakabawi kahapon. I think dance is an anagram indicator. Off per beginner, I think selection. Meaning, kukunin natin yung mga first letter ng mga words or numbers. Music, US, I see. So sa $5, tatanggalin si dollar sign. So, 5 na word ang ilalagay ko dito. Then, anagram. 5, 5. Sige, hint. So, tama ako. Off. Closing are off. And beginner and ay, wait. So, dance. Hindi pala anagram ang dance. Okay. So, kung hindi anagram ang dance, ANC, USIC, ANSIUSIC, music, USIC, tanggalin ang dollar, V, ER, kulang. Only one of these is providing us with its letters. The other two requires substitution nga. Okay, so ano ba yung 9 jazz? Magsa-search ako kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung 1970s dance. Disco. So kung disco ay SCO V gets ko na. Discover. 1970s style dance music, disco. Yung 5 is V. First letter tatanggalin is sa word na per. So ER. Discover. Check. Medyo hindi ako satisfied. Kasi kahapon, grabe, 9 hints yung nagamit ko kahapon. And 3-part din yun. Next time, I hope kaya ko mag-solve ng 3-part clue na walang hints. Kakayanin. Try natin.